Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to pay contactless with Curve. First, open the Curve app on your phone. Tap on Account in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the option that says Enable Curve Pay. Tap it, then select Enable to turn on contactless payments. You may be asked to update your default payment app. If so, tap Update and allow Curve to be set as the default for contactless payments. After that, make sure NFC is turned on in your phone settings, since contactless payments use NFC. Once everything is enabled, you can simply tap your phone on a payment terminal to pay using Curve Pay. And that's it. That's how to pay contactless with Curve. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.